inspirational when she made a dot without making a dot. So we're going to try and make a dot without making a dot in our art lesson today. You're going to need some basic equipment, so I hope you enjoy the lesson, and let's get started. Okay, this week we'll need some A4 white paper. You're going to need a few things that are circular to draw around. I actually drew around a piece of cardboard and I'm going to use that to help me today with my lesson, but you can just use tape, a cup, a bowl, anything like that. So paper, I'm going to want my grey lead, and then you'll need something to colour in with. So I've got textures and pencils and crayons. I might use the crayons today, but you can use anything that you want to. So we're drawing inspiration from the book, and we're going to try and make a circle without making a circle. So you get your piece of paper and you find a circle that fits. I'm going to use the cardboard circle. So in the book, I really enjoyed the way that she made dots, and I really liked this page where she made a dot without making a dot. I thought that was funny. So I thought we could try to be like Vashti. So you get your circle, whether it's a bowl or like I've made a piece of cardboard. I'm doing this so that you can see. And then I'm going to get all my crayons. I'm going to get those all out. And I'm going to try and use every colour, okay? So I'm going to hold my circle on the piece of paper, and I'm going to do a technique that's called flicking. So when you flick, you just take a crayon or a pencil or something like that, and you just flick out from the circle, or whatever shape you're using. So you just flick the colour out like this. Now you need a lot of lines to create a circle. This isn't really going to be effective, so I'm going to try and use all the colours from my crayons. Flick, 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 flick. If your circle moves, so if your circle moves away, you can just pop the circle back in. It really doesn't matter, okay? But you're just going to flick the colours out from the circle, trying to go right up. So you can flick going down into the circle if you want to, like that way. So into the circle, or you can flick coming out from the circle. Whatever is comfortable for you. So you're going to need to use, I'd say 6 colours would be a really good plan. But it depends what you want to make it into. So if you want to make it into an animal perhaps that's just brown, you can do that. Flick, flick, flick. So the idea is that you're flicking your pencil or your crayon all the way out. It looks a little bit like hair or fur. So when you're making a picture at the end, you might want to make a picture of something that has hair or fur. I'm just going to do pink because I haven't done that colour. You can use black if you want to. But remember to go right up to the circle. If you don't go right up to the circle, you're not going to make a circle. Right up to the circle, and that's why I'm using cardboard, so I can go right up to the circle. So when you've done about 6 colours, once you take the circle away, you create a circle by not drawing a circle. So that's really awesome. Now your job here is to take a grey lead and start drawing a picture and making it into a picture. Some of the pictures I made, obviously I did a lion because it looks a bit like a lion's mane, doesn't it? So here's my scrapbook. I made mine into a furry, fuzzy lion. You can see I've coloured the whole thing. The other things I was thinking of were a unicorn would be fun, but I just did the flicking around, so I had to draw the unicorn first, and then I had to do the flicking around. And I made this one into an angry person with hair sticking up. I made a flower, which I thought was really cool, and you could maybe even write something in it. You could make this into a card and write someone a lovely message. And I made a fuzzy monster. So you can make your own picture. You don't have to copy my one. You might even want to use something different to pencils or crayons. You might make a picture that is a dot picture inspired by the book too. I would love to see your picture. I've put my email address at the top of the visual arts page, and I've been putting your photos alongside Harriet on the arts page. So there is the arts page is where your photo will go, and the visual arts page is where the lesson will be. But they've got my email address, so find a grown-up and send me your work. Maybe you're keeping a scrapbook like me, and you can show me your scrapbook when you get back to school. So I hope you enjoyed the activity. If there is something else that you want to see me do or learn how to do, just send me an email and we will try and do it. All right, enjoy week 5, and I will see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.